I want to plus verb 1. I want to eat an apple. I have to plus verb 1. I have to finish my homework. I need to plus verb 1. I need to take a rest. I would like to plus verb 1. I would like to order a coffee. I'm going to plus verb 1. I'm going to call her now. I plan to plus verb 1. I plan to travel next month. I hope to plus verb 1. I hope to get a new job. I prefer to plus verb 1. I prefer to stay home. I like to plus verb 1. I like to read books. I used to plus verb 1. I used to play football. I'm trying to plus verb 1. I'm trying to learn Japanese. I'm about to plus verb 1. I'm about to leave. I'm supposed to plus verb 1. I'm supposed to meet her at 5. I decide to plus verb 1. I decided to study abroad. I promise to plus verb 1. I promise to help you. I learn to plus verb 1. I'm learning to swim. I hate to plus verb 1. I hate to wait. I love to plus verb 1. I love to sing. I intend to plus verb 1. I intend to open a shop. I can't wait to plus verb 1. I can't wait to see you.